Once upon a time, there lived a pair of sparrows nest in a large tree in the forest. One day, the sparrow had incubated some eggs. In that tree where the sparrows were there, an woodpecker came and started chopping down the tree. Seeing this, the woman sparrow got the pressed anger. Hey woodpecker, what happened to you? Whether you got our tree only? Or are you mad? Go ahead, take another, and took other tree. Woodpecker also went to neighbor tree and started its duty. With the anger, that sparrow got again also anger. Hello, don't you know if one time won? By the way, its body was thrilled. It was noted by the male sparrow. Okay, leave it. And only gone no. You have become another tension. Go ahead and fusing. Leave it. Some days later, the chicks came out laying eggs. One day these sparrows were left outside to search for prey. When they came back to the nest and they saw some same woodpecker clinging to their tree again, the anger went to their heads and they gave nicely in the cheeks of the woodpecker. At the beaten speed, the woodpecker went down. At that time, a snake that had been feeding a bird under the tree was lying with dying tension. The mother sparrow looked stunned. Oh my God, without the reason, we just beaten the woodpecker from the snake. This woodpecker saved our children. Misunderstandings had been happened. Suddenly, sparrow ran near to woodpecker and felt very sorry. Without knowing you, your love in us, we just beaten you. We are still alive and our children still alive because of you. And we are very sorry. Then only they noticed one thing, and that is the woodpecker also have been wounded by the snake. Suddenly the male sparrow ran to the doctor parrot and took him to the incident place. The parrot gave some first aid medicines and cured up woodpecker. At last the woodpecker felt very sorry to the sparrows, and the sparrow felt very bad to itself. And it started convincing the woodpecker. Going on, the sparrow felt very sorry to its woodpecker. By the way, the sparrow said to the woodpecker to live the life with them. By the end, they were happy and lived a wonderful life together. This was a great story, and the great moral of the story is, I only live here, this is my tree. The same attitude and the bad attitude was shown in sparrow. This is how many of us are found. Life is one time, and how we need to live, that's very important. We need to see more of a love and kindness without hurting others. Only then we will be able to live a life of appreciation with wonderfulness. If one is hungry, give him food. Give him water if he is thirsty. Yes, this is love, and this is divine love. Thank you.